So in previous video from Geneva, I told you that this is such a green country and nice country. Yes, now you can see it to your vivid eyes. This is the botanical garden just in front of the World Trade Organization, and you see what a nice place to be. So this is the freedom I think one needs to have in one's life. So it is such a beautiful place, and I'm lucky to be here in a summer period, but if it is a kind of winter period or autumn, it could be quite gloomier. But at this time, this has become such a nice green place to be. So let's walk with me for a while listening to the sounds of nature. I don't think I can take photos and finish the beauty of this place, so I'm taking a quite long video today because this is such a nice place and I want to make it forever memory for me and for you, both of us as well. I hope you don't mind the video becoming quite long when you are immersed in this natural beauty. So I think you also enjoyed this nature like me right here. So yes, I'll take you another great experience from somewhere from the world again. Thank you for watching my video. Appreciate it. Thank you.